In today's video, we're highlighting the best story saver apps for Android that can help you download and keep your favorite stories from social media. If you're ready to save those amazing stories, let's dive right in. Insget Video Story Saver. Insget Video Story Saver is a popular app designed specifically for saving Instagram stories and videos effortlessly. Users can easily download stories from public accounts by simply entering the username of the account from which they want to save content. The app supports downloading photos, videos, and IGTV content, making it a versatile tool for Instagram users. With an intuitive and user-friendly interface, Insget allows for quick access to saved stories, and users can view them directly within the app. This app is ideal for anyone who wants to keep their favorite Instagram stories and videos for future viewing. Inst Saver Post Story Saver. Inst Saver Post Story Saver is another excellent app for downloading Instagram posts and stories. This app allows users to save photos, videos, and stories by entering the username of the Instagram account they wish to download from. One of its standout features is the ability to save content in high quality, ensuring that the visual integrity of the original stories is maintained. Inst Saver also provides a simple interface that makes it easy for users to navigate and quickly access their downloaded media. This app is perfect for those who want a reliable tool to keep their favorite Instagram posts and stories at their fingertips. Story Saver Android. Story Saver Android is a comprehensive app designed for downloading stories from various social media platforms, including Instagram. Users can easily save stories, highlights, and posts by entering the desired username. The app provides options to download images and videos in high quality, and allows users to view saved stories within the app itself. Additionally, Story Saver Android frequently updates its features to ensure compatibility with the latest versions of social media platforms. This app is a great choice for users seeking a versatile story-saving experience across different networks while maintaining ease of use. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Insget Video Story Saver, Inst Saver Post Story Saver, and Story Saver Android helps you find the perfect app to download and cherish your favorite stories. Until next time, happy saving!